Welcome back to Crypto Cobra. Bitcoin just dipped below 110k, but institutions are buying billions through ETFs. Japan wants almost $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, and the UK says it's about to dump 7 billion of seized Bitcoin on the market. Oh, and Tether just put USDT directly on Bitcoin, while experts warn quantum computers could crack Bitcoin security. Yeah, this is one of the wildest weeks we've seen in crypto. Stay tuned because I'll break down what it means for your portfolio, the danger zones on the chart, and the one catalyst that could flip Bitcoin bullish again. Let's start with price action. Bitcoin is trading at 109,900, down nearly 3% in 24 hours. The vibe risk off. We got weak buyer activity, take a buy sell ratios are dropping, sluggish network activity, fewer on-chain transactions, miners selling picking up, translation pressures building. Some analysts think we could flush down to under $109,000. Levels I'm watching: 108 to 110k danger zone, or around 109, under 109,000. It's really danger zone. Next targets there could be around 104 to 105, and if we have a bullish breakout, targets for the bullish targets are $118,000 to $120,000. This is insane. US spot Bitcoin ETFs are now trading at 10 billion a day, matching highest on the big exchanges like Binance. That's Wall Street money live in crypto, and who's winning? BlackRock. They're now the top custodian for BTC holdings. Even Vanek says institutional buying is outpacing Bitcoin's new supply. Guys, this is the supply squeeze narrative playing out. You cannot print more Bitcoin, and the big dogs know it. Japan's Metaplanet just announced it wants to raise 880 million, and most of that is going straight into Bitcoin. Meanwhile, in South Korea, Bitplanet set up 40 million Bitcoin treasury. That's the first of its kind there. Here's the signal. Balance sheets are turning into Bitcoin vaults. What was once a Michael Saylor thing is now spreading across Asia. Expect copycats. Now CC, Binance's founder, says we're entering FOMO season. The Altcoin index is rising. People are feeling risky again, but here's the catch. Whales are selling and miners are taking profits. So while retail is getting hyped, big players are still unloading. This means choppy waters. Expect fake outs, traps, and wicked volatility. Now this is huge. Tether just launched USDT directly on Bitcoin via the RGB Protocol. That means stable transactions can now happen on Bitcoin itself, cheaper, faster, and more integrated. If wallets and exchanges are adopting RGB, it could pump real utility into Bitcoin's ecosystem. Less narrative, more actual use cases. The UK government just confirmed they're selling 7 billion of seized Bitcoin. That's a mountain of supply. Now, if they do it gradually or OTC, the market can probably absorb it. If they dump it fast, expect a downward trend. And if the US Trump media just tied 300 million to Bitcoin options, plus launch crypto rewards, while Trump's team is calling for clearer regulations, love or hate the politics, regulations equals to certainty, and certainty usually equals to higher prices. Here's the scary part. Experts say quantum computing could one day break Bitcoin's cryptography, basically reverse engineer private keys. We're not there yet, but the message is clear. Rotate old wallets, use Taproot and multisig. Stay tuned to core devs and post quantum upgrades. Don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Here's my outlook. Short-term BTC bounces between 105 to 114k. Below 108k, I'm starting to get cautious. Above 114k, bulls take control. Medium term, the ETFs plus corporate buys are grinding demand higher. Supply is capped. Long term, that's bullish. Wildcard risks. UK sell macro shocks, and if they sell all of those $7 billion worth of Bitcoin at once, expect a downward trend. So what do you think? Is this news good or bad? Comment your thoughts below where you think the Bitcoin price will be headed next, and most importantly, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share this video with all of your wonderful friends. Have a great day. Take care.